Hey guys, here's some hope. Today is unboxing day for Mr. Tripod. I finally have a tripod. So let's go ahead and undo this up. Oh God. By the way, this is an open box. The workers show it to me, so make sure what it is. So here it is already open, you see. So let me just pop it open. And I also need to get this annoying thing out. This little tab thingy. First, we're gonna look at the paperwork. They have some paperwork slotted over here. Let's just look at this. Go out, George. I'm recording. No. So sorry, this is my little brother. 景林，你要进摄像头，你就得穿衣服。By the way, I'm also gonna do Chinese videos. Here's the user manual, which I think I need. Normally people don't need it. Now let's get to the main event. Right down to sliding it out. Slide it out. Just this is why I got a tripod. So we got this rope thingy, a cable, a wireless Bluetooth selfie stick, and the tripod parts. So yeah, let's untie up the cable. This is simply a normal micro USB cable. This is a simple micro USB cable. You can just take a look when I just get it open here. Why did I get a tripod? It's not easy to do things with one hand. And what do? Use my foot. It's not easy. They don't even give a tab. I'll cut it open. Easy. Simple. George, get away. If you have a clothes, 你穿一个衣服. Wear a clothes, Mr. George. Wear a clothes, Mr. George. I'm being serious. Either quiet or wear a clothes. So sorry, that's my little brother just walking around. He's meant to be in the channel, but he's not wearing clothes. Come on, focus here. Focus. Go away. It's not funny. Micro USB, normal USB. Got this little rope thingy here to attach to the selfie stick. Not sure. This thing for the tripod. This is a part. Yeah. Get it out. Just get it out. Get it out. Get it out. Good. This is the tripod mount itself. See the 3 legs? So yeah, get that autofocus out of focus, okay? Sorry if it's not looking that clean, because I put it on autofocus, and now it's not listening to me. Oh no. Here. And this is the wireless selfie stick. So later, my next few videos will be pretty stable because I have those, a tripod, and this is so convenient. But you won't be seeing my videos that often. My dad abandoned my Mac and the phone that I'm using to record right now for a month. And I have to wait for next month to make videos. One day one video. So I have to do videos every day, but yeah. It's just for today. Tomorrow it's no more. So thanks. Stay tuned for more videos, and bye-bye. No, this is a more appropriate way to end it.